The 1955 Ford cab-over engine, or COE truck, is a vintage workhorse that combines rugged utility with timeless style. Designed to maximize payload capacity and maneuverability, the COE became a favorite for businesses and enthusiasts alike. But what makes this truck so special, and how does it hold up today in terms of performance and price? Let's find out. Under the hood, the 1955 Ford COE was equipped with a range of engine options, including the legendary Flathead V8 and the newer Y-block V8. These engines offered solid performance for their time, delivering between 100 to 160 horsepower. While modest by today's standards, this power was more than enough for hauling heavy loads or navigating urban streets. Paired with a 4-speed manual transmission, the COE was reliable and easy to maintain, making it a favorite for small businesses and fleet operators. One of the standout features of the Ford COE is its cab-forward design. By placing the cab directly over the engine, Ford maximized cargo space while maintaining a compact wheelbase. This design improved maneuverability in tight spaces, a critical advantage for delivery and utility trucks. Inside, the truck's cabin is utilitarian but functional, with a simple dashboard layout and rugged materials. While comfort takes a back seat to practicality, the elevated driving position provides excellent visibility, which was a key selling point in its day. In today's market, the 1955 Ford COE has become a collector's item. Prices vary widely depending on condition, originality, and modifications. A project truck might cost between $5,000 and $15,000, while fully restored models can fetch upwards of $50,000. Custom builds, often featuring modern engines and updated interiors, can go even higher, depending on the craftsmanship and components used. The 1955 Ford COE isn't just a truck, it's a piece of automotive history. Whether you're restoring one, customizing it, or simply admiring its unique design, this vintage icon continues to capture the hearts of enthusiasts around the world.